Meet the ultra-powerful Wet and Dry MessMaster, powered by no loss of section technology. It handles life's un-vacuumable messes, from DIY disasters to kids' chaos. When you're done, MessMaster can rinse itself, cleaning the dustbin with just a cup of water. You even have the option to line the dustbin with a plastic bag to keep the mess contained for easy disposal. The choice is yours. To get started, unbox the unit and place it on a flat floor. To assemble the vacuum, insert the hose into the opening on the side of the unit and twist clockwise to lock it into place. The hose can wrap around the unit and be placed on the storage hook for compact storage. Insert the top of the accessory holder into the small notch on the side of the unit and push the base towards the dust cup to snap it into place. The MessMaster also gives you exclusive designed accessories optimized for the unvacuumable messes around your home. The crevice tool can reach into small crevices and corners to track down fine debris. The squeegee tool is designed to clean wet and mixed messes on bare floors. The MessMaster accessories can conveniently be stored on board the accessory holder. If you're looking for more cleaning tips, visit us at sharkclean.com.